Man, long time no see.
Long time no see, Alex.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
What are you doing these days?
I play the guitar now.
That's cool.
I have a show in a few hours.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
You practiced a lot, so you'll do great. Break a leg.
Thanks, man. By the way, you look tired.
Yeah, I am drained.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but very exhausted.
What's going on?
I have an exam soon.
An exam?
Yes, my exam is in 3 days.
3 days? That's soon.
Yes, very soon. I have a lot to study.
Have you been studying a lot?
Yes, a lot. I studied all day. I studied all night.
All night?
Yes, I didn't sleep much.
That sounds hard.
It is hard.
No wonder you look tired.
Yeah, I feel very tired.
You should take it easy.
Take it easy?
Yes, take it easy.
What does that mean?
It means relax a little. Don't push yourself too hard.
Oh, I see. But I'm worried about my exam.
That's normal. You studied a lot already.
Yes, I did.
So take it easy. Get some rest too.
You're right. I need some rest.
Even a short break helps.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe I'll go home and rest.
That sounds good. Take it easy, man.
Thanks, Alex. I feel a little better now.
I'm glad to hear that. Good luck on your exam.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
You'll do great.
Thanks. See you later.
See ya. Take it easy.
Alex, are you awake?
I'm awake.
You're still in bed.
Yeah, I can't get up.
You don't look good.
I don't feel good.
What's wrong?
I feel very weak.
Do you have a fever?
I don't think so, but my body feels heavy.
Did you sleep well?
No, not really. I didn't sleep much.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Are you sick?
I'm not sure. I just feel bad.
You look under the weather.
Under the weather?
Yes, under the weather.
What does that mean?
It means you don't feel well. It means you are a little sick.
Oh, I see. So I'm under the weather.
Yes, you are. You look tired and weak.
I feel tired. I feel weak.
You should stay in bed.
I think so too.
Did you eat anything?
No, I didn't. I don't feel hungry.
That happens when you're under the weather.
Really?
Yes. You need rest, and you need water.
Okay. I feel bad missing plans.
Don't worry, your health comes first.
You're right. I'll rest today.
Good. Take it easy today.
Yeah, I will.
I'll make you some tea.
Thank you, Min. I'm glad you're here.
Of course. Get some rest.
Okay. I hope I feel better soon.
You will.
I think I feel a little better.
Really? That's good.
Yeah, not much, but a little.
That's a good sign.
I think so too. My body feels lighter now.
How about your head?
My head feels better. Not perfect, but better.
That's nice to hear.
Thanks for staying with me.
Of course. Rest helps a lot.
Yeah, rest really helps. I'm glad I stayed in bed.
You did the right thing.
I think so. When I feel better, I want to do something fun.
Like what?
Maybe we can watch a movie.
A movie?
Yeah, a fun movie.
That sounds nice.
There's a movie theater near here.
Oh, I know that place.
It's not far.
But only when you feel better.
Of course. Not today.
Good. Your health comes first.
I know. Maybe tomorrow or the day after.
That sounds better.
Yeah, I don't want to rush.
How do you feel now?
I feel okay. Still a little tired.
That's normal. You were under the weather.
Yeah, but I'm feeling better now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Me too. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do. I like funny movies.
Me too. I want to watch something funny.
Laughing is good for you.
Yeah, I think so. When I'm fully better, let's go to the movie theater.
Okay, let's do that.
Great. I'll rest more today.
Good plan. Get some more sleep.
I will. Thanks for taking care of me.
Anytime. I'll check on you later.
Okay. See you soon.
See you. Feel better.